Good morning, everybody. This is Barbara from Little Rock, and I'm sitting out on my veranda. And Connor, if you can tell right here, is sitting out in the yard enjoying the sun this morning. And it looks like the Meals on Wheels group is pulling into our community to bring us our meals. Because it's just about the right time. I put my wind chimes up while I'm out here because at night it bothers a lot of people, even though it is a very sweet little thing. It's supposed to, I think the advertisement said it's supposed to play Amazing Grace, but since that since that doesn't always work with these chimes because they've been moved so many times that sometimes I think they play jazz. Only because it doesn't seem quite Amazing Grace. Like today, it's really, I don't know, but I just imagine I'm out in front of a condo overlooking the ocean, and that's my ocean breeze today. That's in my pretend world. I wanted to, I missed y'all. I've had some issues I've had to take care of, and seems like I couldn't work in time to visit with you, and I do apologize. I'll try to get back on track. Nothing's really changed except spring, and we've had lots of baby birds. Lots of baby birds trying to learn how to feed and how to fly and how to feed themselves. And it's just been a hoot. Everybody's been out planting flowers, and the neighbor, we had a new neighbor move next door, and she's setting up a red chair and beautiful flowers. Let's see if I can get you to see if I can show them to you real fast. Nope, it's not going to work, is it? I thought you could just push a button and it would revert to, let me see if it goes this way, if I can tell. Can you see her garden over there? Can you? With a red chair? That's the community center right there. It's very close, and that's where our laundry room is, right on with a flag and the red truck and everything. If you can see there. And back to me over here on my veranda. But yeah, everybody, we've got this lovely lady, and she's been going around fixing everybody's flowers if they're unable to, because so many people are unable to do that. But anyway, I've got to catch up on some letters. That's what I always say. I got a beautiful note from Janice, and she's getting ready to go on some great trips, and with her family up north. And I talked to Jean down in Florida, and all her folks are coming by to see her because she's down in Florida, and everybody wants to go to Florida, and everybody wants to see her. So it's a win-win situation even for her. And a friend of mine's retiring for his first time. He's very excited. He didn't know quite what to do with himself. But anyway, that's life. Enjoy retirement as long as you can. Once you find out it's a lot of fun, then you enjoy it better. You really do. And I got a note from Susie, and Chuck might be coming home from the hospital. And I got a note from Sandy, and she's starting to simplify her house and get herself in order because she's ready for some kind of move or something. And we all know what moving is. It's about getting it all together to move. It's a journey to move. It really is. But Susie settled in down there in Florida with her son and daughter-in-law, and her husband, of course, as I said, was coming home. I'm sorry about this. Light won't stay up today. Apologize. I don't know what quite to do about it. But anyway. And let's see, anything else going on here that I can think of? Oh, it looks like my granddaughter's doing very well. Be relocating after the school semester at U of Arkansas. And let's see. Oh, and I got a message from Sharon. And she's busy taking care of her world. I'm telling you, she's got a huge place. I told you she's got like, I don't know. I don't remember how many acres she has. And Penny's got back on her blog about her Red Rock Farm. And if you want to see that, it's got all kinds of information out there. She's on Facebook, and she doesn't have very many up on YouTube, but she does have her blog. Just put in Red Rock Farm and sign in and with her and know that you're out there. She's a great weaver. She does a lot of things. And good morning, Jackie. And there comes Jackie. She's got a cute van today. They have different vans, but today, I don't know if you can see it or not, but she's got a really cute van. Yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Nice going.
And she's from Caroline, bringing me my Meals on Wheels. You're your maintenance man, Josh. And he loves Connor, and Connor loves to have his belly rubbed on.
Well,
So,
I won't get back to work.
Okay. Well,
I got
say
lots to
any
do.
final good words?
Well, we're in North Little Rock, and come see me, and I'll take care of you.